How to create PHP file. I am using program's code, script or another file that is not meant to be seen by the user running the program, however is seen when viewing the source code. Comments help make code easier to understand by explaining what is happening and help prevent portions of a program from executing. There are three types of comments which are used in PHP. Double slash. It is one line C++ style comment. Slash asterisk and slash asterisk. It is multi-line comment. Hash. It is one line hash style comment. Here you can see that interpreter will not give the output of the comments, and these comments only we will use for understanding our code. How to run PHP in terminal. I go to folder where I created the file. In address bar, I click and type the CMD, then press the enter. Command prompt will open and show the designation of this folder. Now I run existing file in terminal. For running PHP file, first I type PHP, then file name with PHP extension, then press the enter. You can check it that output is showing in terminal. In this video, I discuss very initial steps of PHP. All beginners try to run code after watching the video. If you face any problem, then watch and try to code again.